Omahini, do you have a country? As we do you have a country?
When we
don't have
opposition,
Look
you
at what
don't
is
have a
happening.
country.
Lawlessness all over. And let's tie that into the chief one sorry no. Article 41 wow. That's what talks about the duties of a citizen. It talks about to the extent that you must respect the national symbols. And our anthem, our national symbols include our anthem. And normally no. And ke border ura and I born national anthem na say o man papa biya sorry. But when you look at the issues to do with fundamental human rights, okay. And you will be an about public to miss original so. If you cry no panoa or he no buy no crampolo, there was something wrong with you. No wolf.
SOMPA FM.
Meanwhile, no bad no would be okay. Meanwhile, Osha Article 41 as see one was say we must protect our environment. President will protect the environment. President we has he protected our environment? Oh, Sandy, I don't know where no. It is so contradictory. It is so unreasonable. Adana sa ceremony where no mukako duenua no. It is so contradictory. It is so unreasonable. Professor Frimpong Boateng report now at the buy no. About 7 of our forest reserves. Must say no kojo. 7 and the babia and ya ordinary obiafu ne koto yo. 7 forest reserves.
Kwaya yankum.
Yankum. Ya chiwade si yakum. Aban we ya nhwa han. Ama sa kwaya ni nyina no. Known people. Named by Professor Frimpong Boateng. Omako wurama kose kwaya no. Yanchi obia. Yenye obia hwe. President ye ho hwe. As the duty say president. Onumpo de ene no social contract. Oman ne de yire ye sika ye Ghana ye bibia ye japade in part ye na nkase ni padua nyina ase president we nsa so pambo ye ho ban. What wo hwe han akonta man no wenum nyina wura enimiri forest. Akọ degree to basa. Ama wono akasa ne kwa ne garden ya affected. Nchebi.
Oh, they went there. It's not true.
Why? Professor Frimpong Boateng.
Nobody brought videos.
They
brought videos.
The excavator. No,
but the fact said, the fact said Frimpong Boateng and just sacrosanct. And something that can also be agitated.
I take Professor Frimpong Boateng's word against any other person's word.
Against
any other person.
By his word.
To them. That's right.
By his word.
He didn't only say it.
He said, sir. Nana the Grand Kwakufado to the extent saying the wall cry abu. They took cameras.
One can say the wall abu. It affected his garden.
And we have all. We have all gone to witness it. It's not true. It's not true.
And the Professor Frimpong Boateng boy.
Monfa video no to if you know everything came to show. Or see the OT and yes or no Niko Hui. Or see he has been told. A hearsay is different from facts.
And the course in forest and
that one is a fact. We all witness
what has he done to?
We all witness Akonta mines, Kobri forest. We all witness. It's a fact.
Be potenting.
No correct.
Charles Wusu. And there was where you suffer. See, that is why we must watch these charlatans. This is a complete charlatan. Roaming about Charles Wusu.
He's not here to defend
parading
himself.
As suffer. Onona Sir John Well no. Wadi baby cheno achimata forest baby wild man forever. Yeah forest reserve. Wadi aya will a much as Wusu forever. And these are the people parading around, calling on people to do their duties as citizens. This is where this country has got into. Omahini, Mr. President Mesreno, Yomfa Bufu Mumai. That is the real nature of the president.
How would you know if probably this is not the first time? Maybe or he knows where yes, sir.
One day or he be or he back who would in Hosa. President has his own tone. That abortive tone now or coin. Or drew a bit of man say ne development projects view ho. Yeah. Now journalist in the Busano. What's wrong, yeah, Uncle? Yeah. What's one just a uncle? Yeah. The same anger and literature we call something characterization. Wow, now for because of man say no tear. Ah, we the same characters with you. The writer no, nipa na watch was mbeka say, man say no tear. And we see character in action. Man see dumna so was sa. Na free traces na e kan fa ho no. Na heart in daddy. Ah, so sad ye kana sem writer ne kan no na yonko kan no. Say sa na odi ampa. So this was character at play at this venue. At best, oh, nana, na the idea na koso. Ah, ye bon national anthem. What is she? And I ye cry, ye disarm common. But there and then, we just want to be na. Oko na na se me yare awe ka say. Abufu and fast what we say. Temperament is very important in governance and leadership. Your ability to hold on to. Ewa bra wo pai kwa very important. Nti ye on wase Ghana sesi ya tonsuo.
So on the issue of Ghanaians yearning to come to power.
Eni na meka kire wo. Wakose forest bako enso. Wo de wa nkrofo. Esi Jubilee House ankasa wo. E involve. Professor Mo Oboni nyina din. Watro report akoma from 2021. One fee ekopim say likiye. Wanti me anya ho hwe. Nti so man no way. Ma hin se CI se wo si dan abomode ne tonsuo. Sansuo na enam ye pipe mu. Onum bia wanom yade. On se konfandoche na sen doctor bi ho be kan ho asempa yade aha se pie in the mining areas. Nti se wo se CI na me no ka se CI. Se wo si wo dan na wan tu nsuo a wonni nsuo. Public water. Our public water today is polluted beyond consumption. So what of one catch them? Says see a ma change aduru na mu treating nsuo because they know we alum no how we treat that. Enya adwuma biem. Nti o ma change ekọ aduru foforo. Aduru no ne boarding asin ba ko no.
No MPP are buying na ya nti.
Why? Yeah has o mo has sense we ne. Adan. Ye nhunu ya na. Omo pollutu nsuo sim hwan ya huru gold wo so mu design na egu mu no ye nte a amere be na president so posa ade no na odi bi fe no community mining na small scale miners na yi wo mu nyina na ede na nkasa nkrofo agogum wo ba ya se fa wo license bra na yenhwe uni MPP amina party card unko hobby. This is what we are living with. And now I share geisha soup and a ton of 5 cities no hwan and they 12 cities. Samana kaka wo di biare o man hin o man mu ni. And then maybe man fa me ka mo. Because fuel won't mean talk. No ba bia fuel esa koduru. Afi de e call IMF.